Confirming settings on the Magic M4 machine. Press the green button to access the main menu. Scroll to Applications on the main menu and press the green button. Scroll to number 4, Maintenance menu, and press the green button. Then enter 6755 as the PIN and confirm by pressing the green button. Select Terminal Setup, scroll down to Settle Center and press the green button. Select number 9, GPRS, and press the green button. Confirm the IP address by pressing the green button. Confirm the port number and press the green button. Confirm that TLS is disabled by pressing the green button on number 1, Disable. Select None by pressing the green button for compression. Press the red button to exit the menu. Settings are now updated.